Stop it.
Welcome, lupa paa. Umikot ka sa lang. Welcome to Resort World Mango Tree. And for today, we are going to witness the candidates, the Miss searching for Miss Coronavirus 2020. Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin ang ating mga kandidata sa kanilang production number. It is start. Go, tumag! Corona babay na! Corona babay na! Corona babay na! Chireng, 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 chireng. I love you! I love you! I love you! My name is Katrina Katkat Iring. Kumis, coronavirus number 1. At nandito po sa inyong harapan ang baklang no coronavirus. Corona lang ang meron pero wala ang virus. Na 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 na. Hi! Mabuhay Philippines! Miss Odong pinapawit tangkong kapadyas para to represent pang 1 week! Pang 1 week! Pang 1 week! And I thank you! Kanta! Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Sita Patani Kotol Patuna! Nag-iwan na isang kasabihan. Kinanta ko yan dahil yan ang kulang sa aking katawan. Thank you so much. And you managed to be. And I wish you wish up. And I wish you wish up. Hi guys, my name. Hi guys, my name. Hi guys, my name is Goy Goy Dalandan Villabano. Proud to represent. Next fruta iya. Post na mahawa na mi.
At yun na nga, natapos na ang kanilang production number about sa coronavirus / they are all TikTokers. Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin again sa kanilang pinakamagarbong evening gown. At pagkatapos po ng evening gown, diretsahan, Kuya Juan, Miss Q&A na po tayo. Ready ba kayo? Ready? Paghuwat!
Once again, palakpakan po natin ang ating mga kandidata sa Coronavirus 2020. Palakpakan po natin ang mga kaprediwata at mga Santimo, Duwende, at Hanos. My gosh, kayo na bahala magkusga. At lalong-lalo na sa lahat, merong pangkapre number 1. And that would be all. Thank you. Teng, 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 teng. Coronavirus candidate number 1. So here is your question, candidate number 1. Kapag ikaw ay naging presidente, ano ang plataforma mo sa mga taong nangangailangan ngayon ng 6K?
My own platform, if I'm the president in the Philippines, is to give a cash each one of the family and their daily needs, and to Morato, thank you.
Thank you for that question.
Thank you. Thank.
Candidate number 2. I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. So this is your question, candidate number 2. So if you're given a chance to say to our youth, what is your contribution o anong masasabi mo sa kanila yung mga taong hindi sumusunod sa stay-at-home policy katulad natin?
O sana dyan kaingon dara is bali kay mga laagan mo. At of course, kaya ako, usapag ko sa mga batang laagan, bayot di ba himutang, sing, uyaak, then, kanang naiposa. Kaya ako, nitagam na ko, kay nilaag ko sa among purok, nipalit ng laag, then, mauto kita og pulis, na truma ok, so, ang sa pagtruma, nga na, nidagag ko kalapukan, kung na to, thank you! Og study ay, kanapa ko advice nga, kamo mga bata, magipod dyan as bike, kaya itong luoy na katong kuan, stress na dyan ka itong president, o kanang na atong municipal mayor, atong mga frontliners, luoy po dyan, huy na 4,000 na tanan, aglo na nga matay, busa pagipuyo mo tanan, kay di lalim, kay mga virus, okay ra mga bagyo-bagyo, kay dali ra mga calamities, dali ra mahuman, kaysa, kani, mas spread magod, maunang, mato,
Lansad ka.
Lancer ox! Abaho!
Thank you, candidate number 2, for your warm message. Oh my gosh.
Sabi na!
Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin ang Miss Coronavirus candidate number 3.
Hello, I am Miss Candidate number 3.
Okay, good morning, candidate number 3.
Good morning.
Ito lang ang tanong ko ay sobrang simple lang. This is my question. Saan ka po nagparitok? Bakit ka kinabahan? Kubaan ka, girl. So, joke lang. Pinakano kasi kubaan magud ka. Uy, pagkuba-kuba. Uy, ginumo mo. So, this is your question, candidate number 3. Stop sa mga kimaluoy. Okay, this is your final question, candidate number 3. What is your message to our frontliner? As what we know, that our frontliner are willing to take the risk of their life to support and to be safe the people like frontliners. So what is your message for them?
Thank you for that question. For me, as a human living in this world, I am really proud of our frontliners. Why? They lives have
Human, hapunggoy.
Thank you for that question. I am really proud of the frontliners over there because their lives is very risky just to save people in this world. That's why tayong mga kabataan o tayong nasa lipunan ay dapat manatili sa ating bahay. Ito lang ang ating pwedeng gawin upang maging mapayapa ulit ang ating pamumuhay. And I thank you so much.
Thank you so much, candidate number 3. Guwapa, chika kaayod dahil na chika future sa talent, pageant, MC Pindi na itong number 1. Uy, ginuupo.
Thank you so much.
It's okay, thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, the last but not the least, Our Miss Coronavirus candidate number 4.
I'm a Barbie girl. I'm a Barbie girl. And a Barbie girl. Hi guys. My aim is...
So this is your question, candidate number 4. So what would you think will be happen if our people not listening to our government policy or slash to our president?
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Huh?
First of all, thank you Lord for me here in the Philippines, to the world this aircraft Chinchua, and the prisoners of the Philippines are the beginning of the people. The beginning of the people of the Philippines is so poor and children of the future. If they will not listen to me, to them, to her, to you, to your everything, they will happen this everything and they will kill this love.
Like this. Like this.
Like this. Thank you, bitches. Ay, Thank you for that prisoners of the Philippines. Yes, baby.
Thank you, candidate number 4, for your mesmerizing answer, and I really, really,
Oh my God,
really understand it so much, and I don't know what is your
Oh my God,
thought
no.
about. Oh my gosh, there's an extra curriculum, regular
speak
S10 or
English.
flats. Okay, makakaalis ka na. Ito na.
No,
Ito na.
English.
So yun na nga po ang ating mga kandidata, mga
Tapos may upat sa lagyan na camera.
hilom ko no, ma'am. Napakaganda ang kanilang mga answers. At para sa inyo, sino kaya ang mananalo? Just comment down below. And that would be all. Thank you! If gusto mo ng part 2, mama, paghuman mga iba ni si Joe. Uy, if gusto mo ng part 2, mag-comment ka na lang para wag kang mauwaw kasi kami mga bakyot dito sa kalibutan. Naghatag o kalipan!
Drop it.